Yo, what up guys, me Patrick LeVar back with a quick little photo edit before work. I just snapped this off on my way to work, and I'm going to quickly edit it. So it's going to be pretty quick here. Let's jump in here. The first thing I want to do is I took this with the Moment app, and my phone is able to do RAW, so I saved it as RAW just so I have a little bit more room as far as when I'm crunching the highlights. And let me add my curve in here really quick. You can see that I'm kind of bringing in the details of the sky a little bit. And that's the reason why I like to shoot the RAW, so I can get some more details out of it. Anyways, let's see here. I'm not going to do too much to this. Let me jump over here to my colors and saturation. I like to desaturate it just a little bit. And let me go take a look at some of my presets that I've been saving, which helps out. Okay, you can see here are some of my presets, and I'm gonna kind of quickly, let's see what, if any of them that I like. It's kind of my go-tos. Let's see what my gold. Ooh, I really like gold and white. Moody Forest. I don't think that was gonna work. Takes a little bit of time to load these. Yeah, Moody Forest might work. What about my Sam Kolder? You know what, I'm gonna do this one because somebody was asking, they wanted to see the preset settings on this. So again, that's one reason why I've been using the Adobe one, because I can save my presets in Snapseed, but with me, the reason why I choose the Lightroom a little bit more heavily now, because when I go to my computer, I have these in my Lightroom on my computer, so that's the only reason why I've been leaning more towards Lightroom than Snapseed, but I still love them both. I'm gonna have to readjust these here. It's a little bit too dark. And let me go back to my highlights. Let's bring that way down. There we go. Shadows are a little heavy. Let's kind of lift the shadows up a little. Alright, right about there. The whites, gotta bring that down because the sky, I couldn't really save the sky today. It's just the way the day is. Okay, now I gotta keep track of the time. I gotta be at work in a couple minutes. But anyways, let me show you guys my settings. So what you can do here, these settings really don't matter. The ones that really matter are the ones in the mix. And here's my settings for the hue red, 56. Everything else is 0. Orange, everything is 0. Yellow, the green hue is minus 100. The yellow is minus 100. Green also minus 100. Aqua is at 42. Saturation is at minus 31. Hue again on the blue minus 9. Saturation 40. Purple 000 and magenta 000. Once you guys do this, hang on. You also need to check out this one too. This kind of makes the split tones. My highlight split tone is at S2, so you want to slide over to an S2. The hue is at 327, and the S2, the saturation, which is the up and down motion, is set at 2. And then in the shadows, it's all the way zeroed out. 0, 0. So those are the settings you really want to focus and save. So once you get those docked in, you can go down to here, and then you want to save it. You can click up here, and it says create new preset, and then you can go ahead and save that. So that is the quickest, easiest way to do it. And as you guys can see, then notice it is time for me to go. So what I'm going to do quickly, let me back up here. Finish this out. Okay, that's looking good. I don't want to go too much on it because I'm probably going to take it into VSCO. And let me go ahead and let's see quickly. My alignment looks okay. I'm pretty much happy with that, where it's at. I kind of used my guidelines when I took the photo, so it saves time. I'm going to go ahead and save that out. Save the device, and we're going to start walking towards school. Again, guys, if you are watching this in a timely manner, don't forget the Hohem Gimbal giveaway. They are going to be giving out a gimbal in about 4 days from now. Sub to their YouTube page, to their Instagram, to their Facebook, their social media. They will announce the winner on their Facebook page. So stay tuned for that, and good luck to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jump out of this here. Now quickly, I already got like a look I'm gonna go ahead and then I use Oscar. I'm running out of time, so I probably won't throw this in the VSCO. But just to quickly show you guys, a lot of people ask what app do I use when I throw my stuff in there. I use this Oscar app to get my cinebars on there. Alright, and then what I'll do is frame it up here. The bell was the main subject, so I'm going to put that kind of like one on right about there. Boom, save that out. You see I had the leaves in the foreground, kind of dirtying up the frame just to give a little bit of a foreground, the wall being the midground, and then the background, my main subject being the bell tower back there. So anyways, a quick little edit. Gotta go to class. Patrick LeVar, keep filming, keep shooting. I'll catch you guys in the next edit. Peace.